different sized ramps, angled ramps on the bottom. It'll determine how much acceleration that you have. And here's a really cool wheel I just got sent to me from a friend of mine. I traded it. It's a 94 wheel in good shape. So it's got a bigger brake than my 93, so that should work pretty good. Okay, one last look at this ugly car I got in my driveway, my bike shop. One last look. Okay, signing off. Later. Exhaust note. It has about 300 horsepower. There's the exhaust on it. Here's the back. It's really wide.